Hello everyone, my name is Sandhya Dhakal. This presentation about SQL Constraint is prepared as a part of the Teach 1 assignment for the HAP671 course and taught by Professor Abdul Hafeez at George Mason University. Constraints are rules enforced on data columns to ensure data integrity and reliability within the database. And there are different types of constraints which are not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, check, default. Let's start with a not null constraint. This one ensures that a column cannot have a null value, and we have created a table as name employee, and employee ID is database is integer, and we have mentioned not null, which means that employee ID must have value on it. And for column but first name, Bachar 50 is mentioned, which means that it is a data type with a maximum length of 50 character and cannot be null, as not null is mentioned in first name and last name. So, and next one is unique constraint. This is the same example where the table name is employee, and employee ID, it's written integer unique, which means that the data type is integer and must have a unique value. This ensures no two employee can share this same ID. And email data type is varchar. There's written 100, which means the maximum length of 100 characters and must have a unique value. This constraint ensures there's no two employee which can share the same email address. And third one is primary key constraint. It is a combination of not null and unique, which uniquely identifies each row in a table. And over here, employee ID, data type integer, and primary key is used. This means it must have unique value and cannot be null. It uniquely identifies each row in the table, and first name and last name with the 50 maximum length. And another one is foreign key. For this one, we have created table as name, orders, and order ID integer the primary key. So primary key, basically it means that it ensures the referential integrity of the data in one table to match value in another table, and primary key cannot be null. It must contain some value. And employee ID is integer data type, and in the last line, that is statement creates a foreign key constraint on the employee ID column, ensuring that every employee ID is in the order table, and employee table must be matched. And this maintains in referential integrity between the orders and employee table. So this one ensures that every order is associated with a valid employee. And another one is a check constraint, and it ensures that all values in a column satisfy a specific condition. So we have everything is the same as the previous, but we have changed over the A's integer check. It has mentioned that the A's must be 18 or more than 18. And this enforces a rule that employee must be at least 18 years old. And the next one is default constraint. It provides a default value for a column when none is specified. So over here in the second column is active, and which is data type is Boolean, and includes a default constraint that says the default value to true. This means that if no value is specified for is active, when a new row is inserted, it will default to true, indicating that employee is active. It will automatically set a new employee as active. And we are at conclusion, and SQL constraints such as not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, check, and default are essential for maintaining data accuracy and consistency. Constraints enforce business rules directly at the database level, reducing errors and ensuring that data type adheres to specified criteria. By preventing invalid data entry and maintaining relationship between tables, constraints enhance the overall reliability of the database. Thank you.